Are you a snack girl, snack guy? I am. I love snack size pieces. They're great for when you want to watch a movie, you don't want to sit at your craft table, your back's hurting, but you've got to relax with diamond painting. Let's check this company out. I love it. I've done it before. I've ordered from them, and I've enabled you to order as well. Let's see what you think of this selection. Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have an Amazon Prime package. I'm so excited. So you guys know that I like to get snack projects to hand out for giveaways. And when I saw this, I love to support one of my favorite snack size companies. Hold your ears. Box is opening. And this is Homecraftology. This is in the same family as Sander Direct and Paint Craft. I'll have the link down below. But what I love about this is they do have amazing quality, and I like ordering from them because then I can give great giveaways, or these are awesome snack sizes to give friends who want to learn about diamond painting. And I hope I am not disappointed. I will put the link down below. And this is a current sale that they have going on right now. So right now is November, before Thanksgiving. It is $13.99 with Prime. So free shipping, and then they have an extra 5% off coupon that you can click on as well. But what like I said, it's round. You get a 4-pack, seriously, a 4-pack for $14, people. Incredible. And they're nicely individually wrapped, so you could wrap it as a Christmas gift. You could put it in a stocking stuffer. You've got 4 gifts right here ready to go. What I love is each one is going to have a toolkit, which we're going to open and see, so you can hand these out. That's 4 friends automatically. For, what is that? 3 goes into, for like $4.50, something like that, for each gift. So let's see here. And they also have some similar ones that go with the seasons, or they have Christmas themed ones. This one is cute. It is a sunset on the lake. It is a 30 by 40, and you can see really clear. There are no training wheels or circles. You got your DMC colors, you got your symbols, which are numbers and letters. I'm going to unroll it and see. I'm going to turn it sideways so you can just see here. It's poured glue. And it's just a really nice, easy snack size that's going to be beautiful for somebody who's starting diamond painting. This is actually like the one I gave my neighbor who now is addicted to it. Oh, I love some of these colors. Open it up and see. They do the train effect, which is where they're all together on a line. You can see here they have the DMC numbers right on the packaging. And look at those rounds. Just beautiful colors. I love these blues. We got some pinks. Gorgeous. And then they give you a toolkit. So you got a single placer, some baggies, a boat, and a small piece of wax. So we're going to put this back in here because I, in the future, am going to use these for giveaways. Absolutely love it. So that's the first one. Let's look at the second one. This is, I would call this like a sunset series or a sunrise series. So this one kind of sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide. Yes, I am crazy. So this one's more spring-like. This, you know, it's kind of fall in general. Got some purples. Look at those birds in the air. Some blue sky as the sun is setting. And this is your dock right here. You got some beautiful purples and browns and yellows. Greatly packaged. Awesome. Roll this up. Make sure the toolkit gets in there. My goodness, my chest was hiding it. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, this one has a boat in it. Oh my goodness, where's the opening? Woo! Here we go, we found it. Crinkle, crinkle. They've actually become more and more consistent. When they first started, I think they were buying from different factories. I'm unsure, I don't want to speak out of turn, but they had different sides. But now, they all have a standard. They all come with the key on the upper left, bottom right. They all have the code 0. They do have a few symbols because they ran out of letters and numbers that didn't lap over. This is one with a boat. Very beautiful. And it has all these, you know, autumn colors. Right there. And then the fourth one, let's look. Like I said, these are like sunsets. So here's another dock one. And who is it that I always say, go get this? And they're like, oh my gosh, you're such an enabler. Is it Kiss My Crafts? I can't remember. There's always somebody who just rolls their eyes at me when I get these snack sizes out that you can get them for like $4 a piece. This one I like a lot. I think it's very pretty. Although this almost looks like coral out of the sea instead of a tree on the side. That's what it's supposed to look like. Those birds and the dock. Again, more autumn-like colors. Lots of purples in these compared to other kits that I've seen. So yes, check out Homecraftology. This is a 4-pack, 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40. I'll show you, let me measure it so you can see how. All right, so it's 25 across, and this is probably 35, just shy of 35. So they measure by canvas, not drill area, but it's still beautiful and very good quality for just a little over $4 a piece. So check them out. Check out them on Amazon. Like I heart them, like favorite them, because they always have 4-packs that come out based on the seasons, based on what holidays are coming up. And it's just great to have some on hand for children to learn, for neighbors, and for gifts for friends and family. So I hope you check it out. I hope you race over. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.